Alright guys, so good day natin dyan guys. We are here today in Tarragona, Spain guys. And mind you, this is my first time here in this part of Spain. So medyo exciting kunti, no, to see and explore this city guys. So we have the Plaza UNESCO here. And look at that, you had a very good view of the Mediterranean. And they have also some restaurants here downstairs. And guys, we're gonna go there para tingnan natin yung Roman Theater. So ito yung theater guys, no, this like a Roman theater. Matagal nito guys, no, this because Spain used to be occupied by Rome for hundreds of years guys, alright? So kung natandaan nyo guys yung movie natin na Gladiators, siya po ay Spanish general. So below guys, yan din yung Triumph entrance nitong ano na to, theater na to. So try natin puntahan guys. Let's see if kaya pa nating pasukin. Alright guys, so ayan guys, may bayad pala dito, no. Kala ko free entrance siya. Ang bayad dito guys is 5 euro kada tao guys. Alright. So yan guys, pag nagbayad ka, you will have a good view and experience if you go down the arena. And yan, makikita mo doon guys. Para ka na ring gladiator, no? Because all these Roman theaters guys, ang dami nito. Naglipan na ito dito sa Spain and Europe and everywhere, no, kung saan siya colony ng Rome guys nung sinaunang panahon. Nakaganda din dito sa Spain guys, no, is that one that is very remarkable guys is that ang daming mga Spaniard na gumagamit ng perfume. And you would encounter this and you would really notice that you were in Spain kasi every now and then you smell people wearing perfume. It's really nice because in the other parts of Europe, hindi ko masyadong naamoy yan. When I was in Cartagena, Malaga, and even here in Tarragona, guys, people wear perfume. It's really nice. So nowadays, dito sa Spain, guys, yung temperature is about 21 degrees and probably lower around this time, guys. Kasi ngayon, it's about 8 o'clock in the evening. Sunset is at 9 o'clock. Lastly, guys, dito sa Spain, I think yung mga tao overall are very friendly. They do have their own culture na dapat tayo mag-adjust. Saka guys, dito sa Spain, dami mga tao naglalakad and I think hindi ka maboboard dito. That's the way I would say it. Oh my god, I'm catching my breath. Overall guys, I think you would like living here, no? Kasi a lot of people speak English language. But then, of course, Spanish language is a must, guys. Kailangan mo rin matuto paano mag-Spanyol. Alright, tawid na tayo. Right, okay. Alright, so this is our last stop, guys. This is Torre de Mongiles. So, I don't know, guys, kung ano talaga yung significance nito. But, yep, yan po ang Torre de Mongiles. Alright. Doon naman, guys, is the cathedral. Pero wala na tayong time guys. Now it's like 8:19. So I have to catch the bus going back to the port guys. Kasi medyo malayo yung biyahe. It took us like 30 minutes one way. But hopefully we'll be able to get back in time and don't miss the ship. Marami kang makikita dito and there's a couple more stops na dapat puntahan natin kasi may mga Roman excavations doon guys. No? Kaya nga, nung unang panahon guys, Spain is part of Rome, so ang dami talagang, you know, artifacts in regards to its Roman past. Ayan guys, thank you very much for watching. Muchas gracias and see you next time. Bye!